me to read that was prepared by the Kashmir Global Council in consultation with the different mindset. Herein it's called Washington Resolution. Whereas Kashmir continues to be under occupation since the decolonization of Indian subcontinent. Whereas that Kashmir was an independent sovereign country with British paramountcy and not part of the British India. Thus, the withdrawal of the British paramountcy, Kashmir emerged as independent state, and the communal basis of division of British India was not applied ipso facto to the state of Kashmir. Whereas there are around 1 million military forces of India, about 180,000 of Pakistan, an estimated 40,000 PLA of China situated inside the territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Whereas grave human rights abuses have been reported by 2 consecutive UN reports of 2018 and 2019, which include raping of women, extrajudicial killing, draconian laws like Armed Forces Special Powers Act, arbitrary arrest under Public Safety Act with absence of recourse of law, curbs on civil liberty, and discriminatory law. Whereas the people of Kashmir have been forcibly restricted to move within their land and divided for over 7 decades based on a line demarcated by India and Pakistan that cuts through districts and the villages and the hamlets. Whereas the people of Kashmir have been deprived of universally accepted human, civil, political rights, they cannot freely dispose of their natural wealth and resources and deprived of their own means of substance. Whereas the sovereignty claims made by the government of India, Pakistan, China on the territory of Jammu and Kashmir as it existed on 15th August 1947 are not universally accepted and have no international legal basis. Be it resolved that sovereignty of Kashmir must be restored through peaceful means in line with the principles outlined in the UN Charter and international law. The people of Kashmir must be allowed to represent themselves as principal party to negotiate the withdrawal of the military forces of India, Pakistan, and China. The world powers, especially USA, must strengthen the representation of the people of Kashmir and assist in giving them a representative character on the global stage by helping Kashmir Global Council to evolve representation from grassroots level by way of forming an elected Senate, as the occupiers cannot represent the occupied. Withdrawal of the troops from entire of Kashmir and immediately demilitarize, including removal of the mines, so that the divided lands can be reunited and the sovereignty over the land is restored to the people of Kashmir. The people of Kashmir are a nation that must be recognized as such, that they can play a contributing role alongside other nations in peaceful coexisting. So I would request you all who are in favor of the resolution to raise your hand so we can have it passed. So I would say aye, who are in favor of the resolution, pass the resolution. Overwhelmingly, the majority of the participants have passed the resolution, thus the resolution is passed. Thank you.